Now let's see how to record a payment in your books. So we have created a vendor invoice, we have recorded a credit payment, that is your vendor credit, and now we have to see like how you are going to pay the balance amount to your vendors. So normally all the vendors will have a credit period and you will be paying them only after that particular credit period. So let us see how to do a payment in Zoho Books against a vendor. So when you are making the payment to a vendor, you can click on Payments Made, you can click on New, select that particular vendor, mention the amount which you have paid. You can mention whether it is paid through cash or bank. It will show you all the outstanding invoices in the list, so that you can mention against which invoice you are paying this money. And once the details are given, in case if you want to mention any narration, you can put it here. If you want to upload any supporting documents, it can be done in upload file and you can save it. So here the payment is recorded and you will be able to view against which invoice this payment is made. Payment can be made against multiple invoices or against one invoice, or even partial payment of invoices can be recorded in the system.